Today I am making a fresh coconut sorbet with only 2 ingredients, fresh coconut with its water and a little of sugar. If you can find fresh young coconut already extracted from the nut, this recipe only takes 2 minutes. I put all the flesh of the coconut in the Ninja pint and I cover with its water. I do this to measure exactly the amount I need. Then I blend the coconut with its water and a little of sugar. I pour back the mix in the pint and I freeze it for at least 24 hours. The next day, I lock the pot in the Ninja CREAMI and I select the Sorbet program. I get a beautiful texture at the first time. This sorbet can be enjoyed as it is. We can really taste the coconut water. It's delicious and very refreshing. However, I suggest you add a little of lemon or lime juice, some Espelette pepper, it's a very delicate pepper from the French Basque region, and a pinch of Fleur de Sel. It's a very special salt from the Atlantic coast in France. I discovered this surprising pairing of flavors when I was living in Mexico, and I enjoy it very much. I hope you liked this recipe, and I see you soon!